we had a goal, but when we saw the money for the goal, we wanted more money. You get.
It was good, guys. So without any wastage of time, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be doing a market breakdown right now. Yeah, I'm not necessarily gonna be trading this week, but during our live, someone actually requested that I do a market breakdown. So that's what we're doing, because that's what we're here for. I mean, you know what I'm saying. So let's do this. So yeah, man, as you can see right now over here, I have the dollar chart. Where's that brew, man? You must come and hold this phone. This brew ish. This brew is, you must come and hold this phone, because hey, how am I gonna? Can you hold here?
Sorry.
Yeah, so guys, number one, you guys know the drill. We first go to the daily time frame. For those of you who know, let me just
Shake.
stand on this place. So guys, last week we had NFP, by the way. So as we are on the daily time frame, we're gonna go to the latest candlestick, right, and we're gonna mark the high, right, we're gonna mark the low. Try and get the lines precise, by the way. We're gonna mark the open over here. Yeah, it's not exactly precise, but I'm just trying to be fast with it. So as you can see, we've marked all 4 points of the previous day candlestick, right? And then now we go to the 4-hour. But I tried doing the live thing in, it's not working nice, like the camera and stuff. So that's why I was like, let's just do it like this. What's happening?
We're joining the live, join the live. I think we must go live a lot.
Yeah, we should go live a lot more. Yeah. So as we look here, now that we're on the 4-hour time frame, once we now done with the daily, we're now looking for key levels and important trend lines, right? As of now, I can see a bit of a level over here. Yeah, a double bottom, exactly. Okay. Away. A double bottom over here. But before we actually mark it, let's just go to a lower time frame. Okay, 2-hour. I think we can now just mark it out. And also pay attention to the wicks that the market is creating. Like for example, if you look over here, we have this big wick over here. We have price actually tapping on the level, and we also have a few wicks over there. So yeah, that's just the key point that I can also just mention, is that like wicks are also quite useful when it comes to the markets. You know, they're not just there for decoration purposes and stuff, you know.
They are part of the market.
Yeah. So as you can see here, price actually hit this area and pushed back down. So hey, I'm not too sure, because especially after like news events. So yeah, after news events like NFP, hey, you really
I
need
know
to...
my things. You're busy saying this one can tell
Oh
you.
yeah, now I can see there's improvement. Okay, so here we're gonna mark this level, because you can see that price legit impulse to the upside and is now kind of correcting down to the downside. It's not exactly impulsing. We would say okay, bearish momentum. It's just consolidating, yeah. So my expectations here would be for price to go up, but obviously we can't tell the market what to do.
The market does what it wants.
Yeah, we just wait and anticipate. It's not your father's. Yeah,
just wait for the market
so
movement.
From here I can roughly draw a trend line here, right? A trend line over here, but because it's not gonna be as clean, I would rather opt to draw a level right there. You get what I'm saying? So in that case, I'm most likely gonna be leaning towards buying the dollar, buying to the upside, because as much as it impulses to the upside, it's just consolidating here. So I'd rather expect something like this. That's what I'm most likely expecting, but possibilities are possibilities. So
just shoot straight down.
Yeah, it could still do this, but most like nah, man. Why am I drawing this now? But most likely I'm expecting price to go down, right? Most likely I'm what's happening with the English?
Expecting price
I'm
to go
expecting
up,
price to go
but
up.
do not deny the fact that it could still go down.
It could still go down, exactly. So yeah, let's just have this. So our bias is bias here, right? So like I always advise people, rather start with the dollar itself, the dollar index, so that you know where the dollar is going, because normally we trade things like with that have to do with the dollar, right? So we make sure that we have more or less of a bias, or we know at least what's going on in the dollar, so that now when we go to your USD JPYs, we have better view as to where we're going. So this one right here, I had already analyzed it. It's just that I didn't mark the daily points over here. Let me just mark them real quick. We have the high, the low, and the body is quite small. If you can see, the body is quite small over there, so we're just gonna mark it as 1 point, right? Because I don't think it will be really beneficial for me to be trying to mark both points, both open and close, such a small candlestick.
I hope you're paying attention to the time frames, guys.
Yeah, now we always go daily and then 4 hour, 2 hour. That is not really.
Don't be going down the whole time frame analyzing everything, because it's gonna look like a mess.
Yeah, especially like 1 minute. Hey. 1 minute you really need to be scalping, bruh. Like, hey man, they I remember when you started trading, you'd go to the 5 minute, like, we're making fast money. And you don't know, you're getting cooked, buddy. You think it's selling.
It's buying.
Okay, so here, ne, what I also do sometimes is I sometimes use the Fibonacci tool. So in this case, we're gonna start this Fibonacci tool up top. So with the Fibonacci tool, some people don't know how to use them, ne? So what you do is with the Fibonacci tool, you start from the highest high to the lowest low, or from the lowest low to the highest high. So over here, I'm gonna pick like let me just show you guys. I'm gonna pick my period of time to be from there to here. So when we look at this area, where can we say the highest high is? Obviously up top there, right? So that means that we're gonna draw
Double top.
yeah oh yeah, kind of.
Yo, now it looks like what? It looks like it's selling from this point of view.
Yeah.
You see, guys, this is what I was saying, man. You never know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, so I'm gonna draw my Fibonacci from up top to down there. If you guys want me to make like a better video, please do comment down below. And not just if you want me to make a better video, but if you have any
video suggestions.
Yeah, video suggestions.
And this guy's gonna post on his Instagram.
Yeah.
Q&A what. So go tap in, but free to go, and you leave the link of your Instagram in the description.
Yeah, it's always there, both of us.
Yeah, and then you'll do the questions there.
Yeah, if you have any questions, we'll make like a compiled video as to everything, you know.
Yeah.
So getting back into this, what I can see from USDJPY, since we've already established that we're looking for buys, right, on the dollar. So now that means that USDJPY, what must we be looking for? Since it's USDJPY, that means USD is the, what is it? I forgot the name, guys. I forgot the name, but let me say it's the base pay. Let's call it that. So that means when hey man, now opposing, but yeah, because it's like USD VJPY kind of
opposing currency.
Yeah, something like that. So as you can see here, we have a nice double bottom, right? So I already analyzed this. I think I analyzed today in the morning or yesterday. So what I'm expecting is for price to actually go to the upside, push up, retest, and then buy all the way up there. However, I want us to just be a bit cautious over here, down here, because there's a bit of a fuss going on here, right? Let me just go to a lower time frame. There's a bit of a fuss going on. You can see the candlesticks up, down, this big wick to the downside, big wick upside. So here, what I would like to see is for price to at least push above this before I can actually buy, right? So let me just
at a key level.
Yeah, a key level. I'd like for price to at least, the boy is learning. I'd like for price to at least push above this rectangle over here, because I'm seeing a bit of consolidation taking place here. So if we can at least push nyana, retest, we buying to the upside, and then we'll just be a bit cautious in terms of where to put the TP.
take profit.
Yeah, just be a bit cautious as to where you put your TP, because anything can happen. It can just like price can literally go up, and then as you can see here, it's a key point, it's a resistance, it broke, so price can literally get up to here and then sell. You get what I'm saying? So just be cautious as to what you do around, if potentially it buys, right? But once again, let's be realistic. There's always a possibility of price retest breaking down to the downside, so let's just be ready for both, for any of the scenarios. But most likely, like we said, buys. So just to also plug you guys, now what I normally do if I'm failing to actually find key levels, right, what I also sometimes do is use this indicator. It's called zoom in a bit there. It's called order block detector by Lux Algo, as you can see, right? But I'm not saying you must just depend on this one indicator, but it's just it's a good confluence at times, right? So as you can see here, this level that I'd already marked, the indicator had already been showing us that level. You see this little green block that you can see here, it had already been indicating to us that it is a key level. And
Yes,
like I remember when I said be cautious as to what you do once you're in profits around here, it's marking a resistance level here also. But what I can also advise you is, if you want to use this indicator, remember that any level can be broken, so don't lean too much on this indicator, because you could say that price is gonna sell here and then it breaks. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I'm like, couple it up with other confluences, like I've already said in my other videos. We've been saying this, we've been saying the same thing
over and over again.
Yeah, so that's what's happening over here. Let me just remove. So yeah, how long is the video? 11 minutes. I wanted to also do gold, but I think it's fine for now. If you guys want more of these breakdown videos, please do comment down below. Make sure that you tell us what you think. Maybe there's something I'm doing wrong, or whatever. And yeah, man, let's just keep pushing.
Correct us where we need to be correct.
Yeah, let's keep pushing. We've been taking some L's, bruh, like
a lot.
Yeah, the challenges we've been trying to cook, we've been taking L's, and it's gotten to a point where we've realized that it's not mainly because you can't analyze. It's more of a thing where you can analyze, you can make profit.
It's the discipline as well.
But
with analysis.
The discipline
and also risk management as well.
Yeah, risk management definitely, man. It's something we should work on.
And what psychology training.
Oh yeah,
psychology. I think that's the biggest one, to be honest, because
and sometimes, but I like being able to sit on your hands and be like, I'm not trading, it's not easy. It's not easy.
Trust me, I was in LO class, Baba, trading Nasdaq.
Hey, man, it's not easy.
Yeah, I made 19 rand.
Yeah.
I got chakalaka.
Hey, man, I see what I'm saying.
It was that cent account, ne?
Oh, the cent account.
60. I had 68. I had 68 at the time.
Oh, the excellence.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I made 19 rand. So plus 68 plus 19.
Yeah.
I got too confident. 50 gone.
As much as we always say this, as much as we're not showing bands, we're not doing this and that, where you can say, nah, I'm gonna listen to this, bro. What. We're not the toppest gents, nah, but we can at least, from what we've learned from losing over and over again,
over and over
again, we can at least tell you guys, avoid this, avoid that, and maybe you can make better decisions. But
we'll reach it there.
Yeah, man, he's cooking.
They're cooking. The goats.
Yeah, they're cooking. SEZ, I forgot the name. Maraya, yeah, you know yourselves.
You were in the live. You said Unguluwe.
Kwanele kid.
Yes, sir. I checked the YouTube. Good say.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks, guys, for all the support. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep grinding, man. Let's keep oiling it on the highest level.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like,
comment, and share.
Without any further ado.
And follow our social media.
Oh yeah,
pages.
Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget.
Oh yeah, like no podcast.
Oh yeah, there's also a podcast. Yeah, should I link it down? Yeah, we'll link it down.
Chosen generation, Jesus saves.
Yeah, we'll link it down below.
Where you wanna hear a man yap? That's where you.
Hey, these bros don't like yaps, but let me
you have to hear the yap, ne? And also, guys,
don't make it too long
as well. And Instagram,
Yeah.
everything, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And this year, now I'm just saying, guys, on this year, let's focus and prioritize on investing in ourselves, guys.
Yeah.
Let's invest in ourselves for future, you know what I'm saying? Go get facials.
Facials.
Get a dentist, clean your teeth, get manicures if you have to go. Doesn't matter whether they call you gay or whatever, bro. Just invest in yourself, because I feel like for us, it's that matter of we're investing more in the markets than we did in ourselves. You check.
Bro, why are you cooking?
I'm cooking. We invest more in the
I didn't
markets
see
than
that coming.
Then we invest more in ourselves, and I think that's where the psychology now started to whoop us. Because it's like we had a goal, but when we saw the money for the goal, we wanted more money. We get. Instead of just doing that little goal, we just said, nah, I want more money so I can do a bigger goal. A little more, so I can do a bigger goal. And then we lost it all of it. So that's what I'm saying. But now let's focus. 100% manicure, and make yourself look, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And we will see. You will see. You get.
Yeah.
We don't know when, but you will see. Or now. Psychology will change with it. Psychology will change. You have to enjoy the money that you work hard for with it.
Yeah.
Because if you don't,
you'll give it back to the market.
Give it back to the market.
And chuffing it.
Yeah. So,
but yeah, guys. Yo, man, it's been an interesting day. Today's video was not too crazy, just a young analysis. But yeah, now it's time to go back home. Back to school type of thing. Grade 12, grade 11 for the boy. Yeah, man, let's just keep pushing. Keep doing what we need to do before we do what we want to do.
Yes, sir. Nah, that's a bar.
Yeah. I.T.S signing out, man.